Hey everybody, Professor Snart just checking in here as we look at Unit 4, The Roots of Spirituality, the world's great religious writings, or some of them at least. So as far as due dates go, today is Monday, September 13th, and so Unit 4 is due Thursday, September 16th, kind of the standard Thursday due date. Pretty straightforward as far as what we're looking to get at here. The only sort of complication for this unit is that you're choosing to read from a number of different options. So there's actually a bunch of ways you can get this accomplished, but obviously you're not reading everything that's listed here, but you're just choosing among some of the sets or categories. So there's great religious figures, great teachings from religion, and then religion and great ideas as three separate categories. So you're choosing from among those categories, but you'll also notice that represented in each of the categories are religious writings from various different cultures. So there's a real mix, or lots of ways that you can kind of combine what we're looking at for this unit. And obviously what you'll find is, or what we're looking to think about here, is how religious writing is, and we really want to think of it less in terms of the religion part or the belief part, and more about how the writing part, well, treating them almost as stories, how they reflect a particular culture, or how a culture has chosen to represent its ideals for human behavior and human interaction, and again, a way of a culture explaining itself to itself in a strange way. And of course, the thing that really should go without saying, but I know it will come up for many people, is that depending on our personal backgrounds, we may have very strong beliefs in the religious side of religious writings. And so you really need to do your best to put those aside and treat the writings that we have here kind of as equal documents that represent what a culture believes about itself and about the world and about how people should be versus maybe what they really are, and all that kind of stuff. So it can be a really interesting unit because there's such diversity in terms of where these writings are coming from, but we want to really do our best not to privilege a certain tradition over another, again, just based on our own personal beliefs, whatever those might be. So again, the same kind of thing, discussion board essay, responding to at least 2 other student essays, and you can really read the quality of some of the essays and the responses that people are posting. So there's really a lot of good work that's being done. So be sure you're keeping up with the readings and keeping on time as far as the due dates and that kind of thing, and making an effort as far as your essay is concerned, and also responding to a few people, or a couple of people. So just be in touch, be checking the gradebook to make sure you're getting points for the work that you've completed, and I'll be in touch again soon.